Hey everybody, I thought I'd make a quick video today to demonstrate a problem I really couldn't find a solution to on the internet, YouTube. Uh, this is a 9-year-old LG washer. Got the top already taken off, and when I tried to search the problem, most people are finding that the cold water valve is either knocking or leaking. But I've got a different problem to where it almost sounds like it's screaming when the water fills. So today I'm going to not really show how to replace it, but it's going to be more of a before and after. I'll demonstrate it in a second. I've got the new one here, which looks very similar. They changed it up a little bit, but I suspect the problem is going to be, we got two inlets there, and then this side, if you can see that, there's a tiny little valve in there, or I think that's where the screaming is coming from. So I'll demonstrate that in a second. So once I'm done showing this to you, I will pause it and come back and we'll see if it makes a difference. But nothing ever happens on the hot water, which is that small red one. It seems to be coming from this one. So when we turn it on, I will just start a load. Get it on cold. And it only takes about 30 seconds to start doing this. But you will clearly hear it. So again, after 9 years, I think there is some kind of sediment buildup in this piece, and it is clearly way too loud. So we'll let it do its thing here for a second. Once it starts filling, you'll hear it pretty good. I'll try to get up close to see if you can hear it better. So that part sounds normal, but once it starts filling up continuously, that's when it starts. Right there's that high-pitched squeal. So I'm going to pause this for a minute and replace this and see what happens. So I will be right back. All right, I am back. So replacing this took all of about 5 minutes, pretty easy. Just three little hose connectors, three little connectors here that just pop right off, and a couple screws on the back side. Of course, I unplugged everything and turn the water off. So we will do a test cycle to see how it turned out. So I will do a normal load, change that to cold. We'll start it again and see what happens. It's going to go through its normal setup again. And this part, by the way, ran me about $60. AppliancePartPros.com. Got it in about 3 days, 2 to 3 days, so it's pretty quick. So hopefully this will be a helpful video once it starts running this cycle and I can post it. Sounds good so far. This is where it was screaming before, and that noise is clearly gone, so there must have been something inside that valve, so that is much quieter. So hope this video was helpful for everybody. Again, I couldn't find much online about it, but if you want to do it yourself, very easy to do. Took me total amount of time, probably 10 minutes.